This is curry chicken. So I'm cooking pan butter with catfish, country chicken for dinner. Right here. Serve. Serve. Okay, you can cut it off now. Shut it up. The pan butter soup is ready. Pan butter with fresh chicken, dry fish, crabs, fresh chicken, catfish with pan butter leaf. It's ready to go. Let's eat, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.